You're trying all the right things to live your healthiest life. You're exercising, you're eating right, but are you getting the one vital thing that could make or break your progress? If you're not sleeping well, you're fighting an uphill battle. Number 1, your brain and mood depend on it. Poor sleep increases stress, brain fog, and anxiety, making it harder to focus and to stay motivated. On the other hand, getting enough quality rest sharpens decision-making, it enhances emotional stability, and it improves overall mental clarity. Number 2, sleep is critical for muscle recovery and growth. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which helps repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Without proper rest, your workouts won't be as effective and your recovery will suffer. This will impact your strength gains and your fat metabolism. Number 3, sleep plays a major role in fat loss and metabolism. If you're not sleeping well, hormonal imbalances can lead to increased cravings, a sluggish metabolism, and difficulty losing fat. Deep sleep helps regulate cortisol, ghrelin, and leptin, the key hormones that control appetite and fat storage, making it easier to maintain a lean and healthy body. Number 4, your heart health and longevity depend on sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation can increase blood pressure, raise inflammation, and negatively impact cardiovascular health. Prioritizing sleep supports heart function, recovery, and long-term wellness. And finally, number 5, your performance and energy levels skyrocket when you're well rested. Tired workouts lead to weaker lifts, slower runs, and decreased endurance. Quality sleep restores energy levels, improves workout performance, and helps your body burn more fat efficiently. The bottom line, sleep isn't just about rest. It's the foundation of your mental sharpness, physical recovery, metabolism, and your long-term health. So how do you actually get better sleep? That's where the new dotFIT sleep aid comes in. The dotFIT sleep aid is designed to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed without grogginess. This science-backed formula combines powerful, natural ingredients to support your body's sleep cycle and recovery. This formula includes 5 milligrams of dual-release melatonin to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, 50 milligrams of 5-HTP to enhance serotonin for deeper relaxation and mood support, 100 milligrams of magnesium to promote muscle relaxation and nervous system balance, 300 milligrams of lemon balm, and 150 milligrams of hops extract. These are 2 calming herbs that reduce stress and anxiety for uninterrupted sleep. This isn't just about sleep. It's about optimizing your recovery, metabolism, and performance so you can train harder, think sharper, and feel your best every single day. Sleep is the foundation of a strong, healthy body. Don't let restless nights slow you down. The new dotFIT sleep aid is finally here. Order yours today.